with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Official legal covenant and agreement with UCAB-NSTR. The purpose of this agreement is basically to help the government of Somaliland to establish this maritime capacities. We are expecting by 2016 the maritime service of Somaliland will be good enough to take the waters of this country. They're providing us a lot of support when it comes to related to judicial and legal. We will provide also a capacity for our maritime administration. Somaliland, as you all know, is part and parcel of the international community when it comes to issues of piracy. We have been very much engaged in supporting the world when it comes to issues of piracy, and we are very much blessed by Allah that we managed to have no piracies in our waters. Thanks to our coastal, thanks to our Minister of Interior and his team, who have done an excellent job for the government of Somaliland. The government of Somaliland is keen to ensure that it becomes a part of the international community and to be a member of the Horn of the region. And as you all know, we have now quite a good number of pirates in our prison. We have over 29 of them that we have been transferring them from Seychelles. Somaliland is a full-fledged member of the international community when it's issues of maritime and maritime administration. And once again, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you, Mr. Ambassador, for this agreement. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Words for the mission. Let me introduce myself. My name is Etienne Mondeconsin. I am the head of mission UCAP-NSTR. UCAP-NSTR is a European Union mission which covers Horn of Africa with 5 countries: Djibouti, Somalia, Somaliland, Kenya, Tanzania, and the Seychelles. And I'm very proud and honored to be here to sign the agreement with the government of Somaliland. It's a clear milestone in the development of the UCAP-NSTR mission. This agreement opens a new area for UCAP-NSTR and the Somaliland government of Somaliland partnership. As the Minister said, we will assist Somaliland in being more effective in monitoring its water, in enforcing its Coast Guard. We will support the development of the Somaliland Guard and developing also the legal framework to fight in common the scourge of piracy. The present agreement is a formalization of an existing partnership between UCAP-NSTR and the government of Somaliland. We'll recall that in December 2013, an important Somaliland delegation went on board an EU Atalanta vessel, and we discussed at that moment the possibility to increase and to develop activities of UCAP-NSTR in Somalia. And this agreement is exactly a way ahead, a step forward, following this kick-off event in December last year. I would like also to stress that EUCAP Nestor will work closely with other national partners active in Somaliland. I would like to mention in particular UNODC. We have a strong partnership with UNODC, and we will develop joint activity. There is this agreement, but attached to this agreement there is also a joint program, plan, roadmap, plan of action, and this plan has been discussed through involving Somaliland authority, of course, EUCAP and UNODC. So this is a living document, and this is something that we'll implement in the coming months and year. I'm also pleased to let you know that now EUCAP Nestor is well established in Hargeisa. We have a full operational office in this company with several villas and offices, and from there we develop activity. The team devoted or focusing on Somaliland from EUCAP Nestor will be around about 5 permanent mission members. The focal point is with me, Mr. Marco Ekens from Netherlands. He will be the focal point and working with you on a regular basis from Hargeisa and traveling from Hargeisa to Berbera if needed. And in addition to that core group, the team here will benefit from support from Djibouti, from the Djibouti headquarters, where the head of the mission is located. For example, for training, there are trainers coming from Djibouti or from Nairobi. It depends on the situation. The joint action plan, as I've mentioned, is a living document, and it will reflect the actual realities and the progress made by Somaliland on its way to implement an effective control of its border, of its coastline, and of its water. We will work closely with the Counter-Piracy Office. I want to thank Mohamed Osman for his dedication. He is our interlocutor here in Hargeisa, and we have done an excellent job together. So thank you, Mr. Osman, for your support. I want also to recognize and thank the Somaliland Coast Guard, and our friend from the Ministry of Interior and Ministry of Foreign Affairs. We have a lot of friends and interlocutors, and I feel at home when I come to Hargeisa. So in a nutshell, in summing up, I'm very happy. I think this is not the ending the road, but on the contrary, this is, I think, the formal launching of fruitful cooperation between EUCAP and Somaliland, and I look forward for progresses in the coming months and weeks. And all together, we will unify our forces, and we will put to an end the scourge of piracy, which has been very detrimental to the Horn of Africa in general, and to Somaliland in particular, destroying the economy, affecting the legal activities, fishing, and so on. So we will do it, and I'm sure we will be successful. So thank you very much.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله أجمعين. caawa halkan farxad weyn noo ah aniga iyo wasiirka daaqiliga Ali Waracade iyo Maxamed Ismaan xafiiska kalaxda inaanu la seexano qodobada EUCAP Nestor oo headquarters ku yihiin magaalada Djibouti. Agreementka iyo heshiiska maanta la galay oo ku lug leh sidii wadanka Somaliland oo maanta ilaa sabata bixiyay Budhcadbadeedda ay Somaliland biyaheeda u ilaashan lahayd inuu ku tala jiray hadii ilaa anako ayaga la shaqeynaa sanadu markay tahay 216 in aanu ka aanay dhicin 216 inayna dhicin in Somaliland uu soo dhawto oo la socona waxa yimaada maanta kalluunka la budhcado niman budhcada marka wax nimankan naga caawinayaan sidii ciidanka badda ilaaliya ay hoos yimaadeen wasiirka wax loola qaban lahaa sidii budhcadbadeedda wadanka looga ilaha sidii badaheena loo nabadgelina sidii training iyo horumar iyo capacity building loogu sameyn lahaa sidii legal framework xagga shuruucda inooga caawin lahaayeen marka khaatan maadaama ay aad iyo aad u khusayso wasiirka daaqiliga iyo hawlihiisa siin doona floorka inuu wasiirku kalmada dabatana Maxamed
رئيس فيركا halka Faransiiska dhamaan geeshinka halkan socda waxaan aad iyo aad uga mahad celinaa saxeex halkan ka dhacay maanta oo runtii wax ka tari doona sidii loo horumarin lahaa awoodda ciidamada badda ee Somaliland oo runtii imika dawladda Somaliland meel wanaagsan ay marinayso oo runtii ah ciid capable ama ku filan inuu ka difaaco badda Somaliland Paris waxaan aad iyo aad runtii ugu faraxsanahay awoodda labaad aanu ka filayno EU cab inay ku kordhiso awoodda ciidan ee badda Somaliland waan soo dhaweynaynaa waxaan leenahay welcome annaguna waxaan qaadaynaa in lagu kordhiyo ciidanka badda ida ay tahay aan uga faa'iideyno si loogu ilaaliyo badaha Somaliland leedahay xuduudeeda iyo meelaha muhiimka ah ee ku yaala badda Somaliland khususiya aad iyo aad baan u mahadsantahay wassalaamu calaykum waraxmatullaahi wabarakaatuh
وفسرين وزير محمد بيحيونس وزير كارما الدولة علي محمد يوسف وزير كي داخلية وأمس مادو عيد إن هيئة إيو كابنر وها أي إن غلا شقيني سيدي عيدا كان إلى على ذحبه درد ويانا لها أود وحيدا بكرد حبة أور قافي لها هديت هاي كهرتك Budhcadbadeedda هدي هاي kalluumaysiga darada haday tahay sun lagu daro haday tahay قربان هوب أمدد أمريكا كحسه إن مدة لبس النوت كير قد لقو قارسيين إن أو تعيالنا وحكالو إن قال شقين إن لكردية أو أي هيده عقولين حرلالين تأي محكمة ده وحكالو أي إن قال شقين إن قنت معمول كبدا ضد توبره إلا كوني سجال بقولي سجاشن in Somaliland awoodumi ma yeelan in waxa afka Ingiriiska lagu yiraahdo time administrators ama maamul badda in cid loo tabaro waxa ay naga caawinayaan in amacada berbera ee badda lagu tabaro dad maamula xabkanka xiriirinta Budhcadbadeeddu marka hawshiisu waxa weeyaan saddexda hay'adood ee jaadka ee midowga wasaaradda goonida ah xiriirintooda oo weeyaan أنا وزارة هوس أريما هذا حبيس كي هوس يمار هوس عنا in fact أنا نرجعين إن in fact إن مشاريع إن تنقضن أو عديدة كهرتاق Budhcadbadeedda إن أقوليسن وعلى EU cab نستر سيدير كوش هيجي لاشغيني هشيس كم أو كل شيء هوشن فلنتي ولا بهوشة إذا كيلا لا حيوها وحكبت كيسة يعلن تيسة هيدا UN كنا UNODC ليرا وحنا نرجعين إن عد كلنا هوشة كسوق بقلا